everyone, and welcome back to Team Cuisine. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make easy macaroni and cheese in the air fryer. So these are the noodles from the Velvettea shells and cheese. They have already been cooked and drained off. And I'm going to put some Land O'Lakes butter inside of here. About that much. I'm not a big measurer. So that butter is just going to go ahead and melt in there. I have some heavy cream, heavy whipping cream. I'm going to pour some of that in there. I'm going to use some more Land O'Lakes margarine, butter, whatever you want to call it. Back, I have my egg. I'm just going to scramble me up one egg. Scramble. I don't know what I just said. It's been a long day. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour that in there. And right now I just have some sharp cheddar cheese. Look, I can't even talk, guys. Put that sharp cheddar cheese in there. I have some pepper jack cheese. Now you can use whatever cheese you want to use. You don't have to follow my recipe. Make your macaroni and cheese however you normally would make your macaroni and cheese and stick it in the air fryer. You're going to get that nice crisp on top. And then we have some Muenster Cheese. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, but I'm quite sure someone will leave a comment and tell me how to. So I'm just going to tear some of this cheese up. I love this cheese because it makes everything that I put it on really gooey, like that cheesy, like, ooh, look at this cheese. So that's why I like it. So that was 2 slices. I'm going to go ahead and use another slice. I mean, why not? If you're going to eat macaroni and cheese, it might as well be cheesy. All right. Let's go ahead and open up the Velvettea pack. So I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze some of that in there. Look at that. Ooh, that's going to be so good. So I'm going to get my cutting board because I have some crab meat. Well, it's imitation crab meat, so don't tell anyone. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to cut this up a little bit. It doesn't have to be really fine pieces because I like chunks of stuff. But you don't have to put crab meat in your macaroni and cheese. You don't have to put any meat in your macaroni and cheese. This is just what I'm doing. Do what you want to do. And please, in the comments, show me what you did. I'm going to go ahead and dump that in there. Okay. Let's go ahead and mix this around. I'm going to sprinkle a little salt and pepper. Ching, 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 ching. When I tell you this is quick, this is quick. Salt and pepper. I have my air fryer pan. And I have a little cooking spray. Just going to go ahead and spray this in the pan, coat it, prevent it from sticking. And then let's pour our macaroni and cheese in. But you can't just put macaroni and cheese in the air fryer like that. So we got to sprinkle some more cheese on top. I'm going to sprinkle a little pepper jack on top of that. And voila. And then we're going to move on over to our air fryer. And we're going to go ahead and slide this in. And we're going to turn this to 400. And then we're going to turn the dial to, I'm just going to say about 18 minutes. Okay guys, the macaroni and cheese is done. Doesn't it look great? Hear that crunch? That's what you're supposed to have. I'm just going to go ahead, dig in a little, so you guys can see. And there you have it. Air fry macaroni and cheese. Make sure that you subscribe, hit like, and make sure that you get notifications, and please share this video. Until next time, good eating, Team Cuisine.